Hello loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have a Dior unboxing for you guys. I recently got 2 Dior products which I'm going to show you very shortly, and I'm so grateful for having them. Before we do start the video though, I wanted to quickly apologize for being off of YouTube for so long. I would say that I kind of took a break from YouTube, but I didn't publicize it, which I probably should have done, so I'm very sorry for that. But a lot of new subscribers have joined, so welcome to my channel. And for those of you guys who have been here since my first YouTube video, thank you so much. But now that all of the sorries and thank yous are out of the way, I'm just going to get straight into this because I'm so excited to show you the Dior products that I have for you guys. First Dior item I have to show for you guys is the Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming perfume. I am so obsessed with Miss Dior. Like, the whole aesthetic and the look of it is just so me. It's very pink, very girly, and that is completely me, like in a nutshell. I am absolutely obsessed. So the fact that it was pink itself just lured me towards it already, and then I smelt the perfumes and every single one that I smelled was absolutely amazing. Quickly, before I start doing this as well, I have unboxed both of the items I have to show you for my TikTok, and you can go follow my TikTok, and I'm going to put it on the screen here. But go follow my TikTok to see that mini unboxing. It was kind of like it was only 15 seconds, so it was just a very fast glimpse into the full version, which I'm doing now. So I'm just going to go a bit more in depth and explain perfume. It's not like a perfume video, so I'm not going to go too deep into notes or when you can wear it or anything like that. But I am going to tell you my opinion on the perfume. I have actually smelt this. I sprayed it yesterday, but I have not sprayed it on my skin, so I don't know what it would smell like on my skin yet. But I have sprayed it in the air when I first got it yesterday, and I loved it so much. But of course it could smell differently in the air and on my skin, so I might spray it on my skin in this video to give you guys what I think it smells like on the dry down and just everything like that. But enough talking, I'm gonna quickly unbox this for you guys. So the packaging is very pretty. It's got a silver rim like around here, and then it's got silver Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming, and then Dior on the bottom. It's a baby pink box, and then it's got like a darker pink in the middle, and pink. I'm absolutely gonna love it anyway, so I'm just gonna open it. There's the perfume on the inside. Guys, look at how gorgeous this is. I am so obsessed with this package. I love the bow, and I just love everything about this. It's literally me. This is me in a perfume bottle. Like, that's the best way I can describe it. Me in a perfume bottle. It's pink, it's girly, it's got a bow. I am in love with this, so I'm just gonna smell it. From the bottle, it smells very nice. I can smell, I would say raspberry, but this is definitely like a berry based fragrance, and it's probably got notes of vanilla in there too. But like I said, I've only sprayed it in the air. I've not sprayed it on my skin, so I'm gonna spray it on my palm right here, and then I'm gonna tell you as we go throughout the video how it's been smelling. I'm not trying to waste it, so I'm just doing one spray. Oh my gosh, I just got a whiff of that. That is amazing. I am so obsessed with this, guys. Like, Miss Dior is stunning. Like, the perfume, the aesthetic, the look, everything about Miss Dior I'm obsessed with. But I'm gonna let it dry down a little bit. Oh my goodness! Oh. You guys, this is so good. Okay, I can actually smell a bit of nuttiness, and I don't know if that's weird, but kind of like peanuts almost. And I actually despise nuts. Like, do not bring anything containing nuts in anywhere near me. Nuts are just disgusting. I do like Snickers though, which has nuts in it, so that's a bit contradicting to what I just said. But nuts on its own, I cannot eat them. They are absolutely disgusting to me, apart from pistachios. Okay, maybe I don't hate nuts, but I hate most nuts. But the smell in this perfume is actually very nice. It goes very well. I definitely smell some berries, like some like in the first spray, when I get like a whiff of it first off, I definitely get like a raspberry, cherry, vanilla kind of vibe.
Just doing a little voiceover over what I'm saying. So I've searched up the notes of Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming, and the top notes are raspberry, black currant, pomegranate and pink pepper. The middle notes are May Rose and peony, and the base note is white musk. I don't know where I got the nuttiness from, so don't listen to what I'm saying here. It's got no notes of nutty anything.
I'm not going to go too much into this because I'm very, very excited to show you the next one. But this Miss Dior perfume is absolutely amazing, amazing, amazing. It's perfect for the summer. You could wear it all year round as well, but specifically for spring and summer because it's got the berries. And it is absolutely blooming. It smells like a blooming flower. It's amazing. Love, love, love this perfume. Let me just show you one more time. Close up. Very, very, very beautiful bottle. But that's all I'm going to talk about Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming. Otherwise, I'm going to keep going on and on and on. And this video is going to be 50 minutes long. I could talk about perfume for ages. Like specifically this perfume because I'm so in love with it. But perfume in general, don't ask me questions about it in real life because I will ramble on for hours. So now, the main event of this video. The second package, I'm just going to cover this. Of course, you can see I've already opened it, but let's just pretend I haven't, okay? Let's just pretend I'm unboxing it for you first time right now. And when you open it up, you've got the whole Dior experience. So you've got Dior on the box, and then you've got loads of stuff inside. So I'm going to take you through what is inside of this box. Open up the box and it's got the Dior on the top, everything inside. I'm going to show you what's inside of the box. The first thing we've got here is this Dior bag, and I don't think I'll be keeping what's inside of the bag. I mean, I still can, but anyway, I'll show you what's in it in a second. But I think this bag is so cute and pretty. I think maybe for like travel, if you want to have a place to put your jewelry or just like small valuables, I think this is the perfect cute bougie pouch to do that. But I'm going to open it up like this. It's got the scrunchy things on the side. The drawstrings is what it's called. Open it up this way. And then we've got 2 free perfume samples. I love the whole Dior experience. Like whenever I shop from Dior, I just love like the look of everything. They give you so many little free goods and just like cute bags like this that you could use for practical reasons or decoration. Everything about Dior I'm just in love with. I probably said in love and words along those lines a million times in this video already, but that just, you know, my passion for this brand is very big. So here we've got the Dior Home Sport Eau de Toilette. This is one perfume sample. It's just got this white mini bottle, and then it just has the name on it in red. Can you see that? I'm sorry guys, if at any point in this video it looks like I'm looking off camera like I'm doing right now I'm looking at my face, like the actual mini screen, my face, but then now I'm looking at the camera and I can't see myself properly when I look at the camera, so occasionally I like check just to see, but that's why I'm not looking away, I'm just looking at my face and then the camera. But anyway, here is a close-up of this perfume sample. Very nice. I can't really smell it properly from here, but I'm gonna spray it on my arm here and just see how it is. I really hope I don't like hate it, because then it's gonna be on my skin and I'm not gonna like it. Oh wow, that's very strong. Guys, this is a man's perfume. How did I not? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a male's perfume. This is a man's perfume. That's really annoying. I do like it, but I'm going to be going around the rest of the evening smelling like a man. Oh, that's wonderful. But it's okay. It does still smell good. So I think I'll give these samples to my little brother or maybe my dad. Oh, didn't put it in properly. But I guess if there are any men or boys watching this video, you can get this and start smelling good. Oh my god, just dropped it again. But yeah, boys at my school, you should definitely use this and stop using Hugo Boss aftershave because it stinks. Yeah. Not saying that all boys use that, but like that is what I smell. It just gives very like it just smells cheap, to be honest with you, and I'm not trying to diss the boys or anyone. Boys, if you're watching, if you want to smell expensive and better than you currently do, use Dior. Oh, that went out of focus, but Dior Home Sport Eau de Toilette. That's a mini sample. And then we've got Dior Sauvage. This is like quite blatantly a male perfume sample, but I'll definitely give this one to my little brother because I think he'll like it. I think it's less strong than this one. To me, I don't know, that's just my nose. Let me spray it in the air. Yeah, this is definitely more toned down. I do actually quite like it though. It smells like something my dad would wear, and my dad always smells amazing, so another one for the boys if you want to smell good. But those are just the 2 samples that I received in this mini bag. I've spent so much time talking about that, so let's try and whiz through this because I did not intend for this video to be long. Here we've got a mini Dior envelope, so it's just got the Dior in gold and then envelope on the back. If you open it up, this is a note from my aunt who got me the product I'm going to show you in a minute. That's also in this box, and this is so sweet. Like, I was not expecting this. It just says Dior on the front, and then on the back it's got this message, and it says, "To my beautiful smart princess, I'm so proud of you. All my love, with loads of kisses." And thank you so much to my aunt for buying this for me. I think it's so amazing. I'm so grateful. This was a gift because I just finished my exam week and I got some of my results, and I did do quite well. I got 100% in my history exam, me and one other girl in my class, and I was very proud of myself. I'm not gonna lie, my head was like very high for the rest of the day. So she found that out, and then she asked me what I wanted, and my mum mentioned the product I'm gonna show you, and my aunt got it for me. So thank you so much for this lovely present. And that's just the notes that's in this envelope. I'm not gonna close it back up, but it's very cute. And then we've got this, it's the Dior delivery form. Very nice. And then for the main event, we've got this very pretty Dior bag. As you can see up close, the texture is like, I don't know how to describe it, but it does feel like a bit rough to the touch, but it's still nice. And it says Dior in gold, and it's got this gorgeous Dior ribbon on the top. I love packaging that has ribbons on it. Like, it's just so pretty. So you open up the ribbon like this, and then it's got loads of Dior wrapping paper on the inside. Not wrapping paper, but just paper. Loads of paper there. And then inside we have the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. This is just the packaging. It's just silver, and it's got Dior Addict in white. Well, I don't need to explain the colors, you can see that. But I am so grateful for this. I'm obviously grateful for my Miss Dior perfume too, but this, like, I have been pining after the lip oil for the longest time. So let's just go ahead and open it up. So you go like this, and then here it is on the top. Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. Like, I'm so obsessed with it. Lip glow oil, color reviver, cherry oil. So this is the cherry oil. This is it. It's just got the pink. Again, I'm not looking off camera, I'm just looking at my face for right now. There it is, and then you open it up like that, and then it's got a very thick, I don't know what the top of this is called, like the lip top, like where you actually apply the lip gloss. I don't know its exact name. And you would think that this would be scented, but it's actually not, because it's cherry oil. I thought, oh, it's gonna smell like cherry. It doesn't have a smell, it just smells like a lip gloss, which it's scentless. But I love the color of the pink top, and then the lip oil is very nice. I'm wearing a lip gloss already right now, but I'm gonna put it on just to show you. There it is, very effortless gloss. It's very sticky and thick, which I actually quite like about this gloss, because I like a gloss that is long lasting and that I don't have to keep reapplying every 15 minutes. I do that with gloss anyway because I have a lip gloss addiction. Even as I'm talking right now, I can feel how hydrating and moisturizing it is. And the best part about this is that it's customized. My aunt put my name on the back. I'm not 100% sure if you're going to be able to see that, but it's right there, Sophia XX. And that is so cute, and it just adds a little personal touch, so that's amazing. And it's just so sleek and cute and small, like I can fit it in my pocket at any point. But that is the Dior Lip Glow Oil. Those are the two products I had to unbox for you guys today. The Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming Perfume and the Dior Lip Glow Oil. There they are together. Both pink, both girly, both feminine, both I absolutely love. I would highly, highly recommend you get these. This is absolutely amazing. I don't want to keep going on, but this, I cannot stress enough how grateful I am for both of these, and thank you so much to my mum and aunt for purchasing these for me. I love you very, very much, and I am over the moon. I love it so much. And this is also a perfume that when I do finish it, I'll definitely just keep the packaging for decoration because it's so pretty. Same for this, when I finish the lip oil, I do actually plan on refilling it, so I'll just get like a normal pink or any color lip gloss, and I'll just refill it inside of this so that I can keep this going and I don't just chuck it after I'm finished using it. If you are a girly girl and you're around my age or older or younger, definitely get these. I'm actually going to end the video now, so thank you guys so much for watching this. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on post notification bells so that you don't miss any of my future uploads, and believe me, there will be many more exciting future uploads, so I cannot wait to film those videos for you guys. And yeah, stay safe, stay positive and have a lovely day. Bye guys.